Welcome back. In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to insert SIM cards and an SD card into your Samsung Galaxy A05s. Now, you'll get your SIM ejector tool inside the box, but then you have to use your own SD card and your own nano SIM cards. So this is a dual SIM phone, and it actually takes 2 nano SIM cards and 1 SD card. So just pick up the phone and locate the SIM tray, which is in the upper left side of the screen, and then pick up your SIM ejector tool and remove the SIM tray. Okay, so you have that hole there. Put the SIM card tool in there, push towards the phone until the SIM tray pops out, and then now you can use your hands or rather fingers to pull it out gently. Okay, if you find yourself that you need to use too much force, then you might be doing something wrong. Just make sure you're pulling it out straight. Okay, so this is the SIM tray, and this is the way to hold it upright. You can even tell by the writings on the SIM tray that this is the way to hold it. So as you can see, this one takes 2 nano SIM cards and an SD card at the same time. Okay, so let's go ahead and place our nano SIM cards, and we're going to place them like this with this little indent matching the indent on the SIM tray. Okay, so with the contacts facing down, just place this SIM card like that. There you go. And then the other SIM card, same orientation. And then you have the SD card. Hold it like this and place it there. Now everything should be nice and tight. Okay, now the best way to do this is to just put them on a flat surface and make sure everything is sitting properly like that, so that when you pick up the SIM tray, everything is completely flush. Okay, so you can see everything is completely flush with the SIM tray, and now we are ready to insert the SIM tray back into the phone. Okay, so just make sure you hold it like this. Just take note of the writing on the SIM tray and make sure it's upright, and that's the way to push the SIM tray back into the phone. Now this is supposed to be a very gentle process. If you find yourself needing to use force, then something is wrong. Either one of the SIM cards or SD card is not sitting properly. So just needs to be very, very gentle. And that's it. That's how to insert. So now let's check what has happened. Let's go ahead into the phone. It's going to unlock it real quick. And as you can see, the SIM card manager has popped up, showing me SIM 1 and SIM 2. Okay. Alternatively, if it doesn't automatically pop up, you can go to settings, then go to connections, and then go to SIM manager, and you should see both SIM cards there. Now for the SD card, 2 ways to check this. Just go to the notifications panel and you should see SD card inserted, or you can go to my files. You can go to my files, select that, and you should see SD card, and you can see you can now access the SD card. And that's basically how to insert the dual nano SIM cards and SD card into your Galaxy A05s. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.